Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, now, before I make the next part of the statement here and summarizing all of this, I'm not saying this towards the company. I don't know anything about the company. I'm saying this based on how the prices acted. So from a price action perspective, this has turned out to just be one massive pump and dump. I mean, when you stop and look at it, I mean, that right there was an absolutely massive, great move. And then all of a sudden, the price has literally gone right back to where it started. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that, let's actually denote out, where in my mind the move started. And the move started here when the price got the breakout of this area. So, I mean, sure, the price woke up a little bit here, but, nothing really major, no major volume. And then the price just kind of went sideways. And then right there, when it got the break, that was really the launch pad that really sent it higher and higher. And then you look at where the price is closed, and technically speaking, slightly below that green line. So the price has literally gone right back to where it was. Now, does that mean that another nice move can never happen again? No, I'm not saying that. But as far as, the big movement that had occurred last week, yeah, that was all just, like I said, a pump and dump is really the best way to describe this price action. Great move up, and then all of a sudden, right back to where it started. If there is going to be any sort of movement back to the upside, then that's where this line also comes into play, because it's gone back to acting as a resistance now at 29 cents. So 29 cents, that near-term level of resistance where, again, like I said, if any sort of bigger movement is going to occur again, that'll be the first key level that needs to be broken. If that can be broken, the next key level after that, right up around 33 cents. As far as levels of support are concerned now going forward, if there is any sort of continued downwards momentum, the next key level right down there at the 26-cent mark. So yeah, disappointing movement, especially when you consider just how much momentum this thing had last week. But at this point, it's back to the drawing board because the price can certainly make another nice move again. But as far as the previous nice move was concerned, that's all been wiped away. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.